Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn QuickBooks Online. We'll start by exploring the user-friendly dashboard and understanding its key navigation features. Next, you'll discover how to properly set up your company profile and customize your chart of accounts to fit your business needs. Finally, we'll cover the essential step of connecting your bank accounts, enabling seamless, automatic transaction imports. This foundational knowledge is crucial for efficient financial management. Now, let's dive into managing your daily transactions. You'll learn how to effortlessly create and send professional invoices, ensuring you get paid on time. We'll also cover the process of recording and accurately categorizing all your business expenses, which is vital for tax purposes. Plus, discover how to effectively manage all your customer and vendor details, keeping your contacts organized and accessible. Moving on to more advanced features, you'll learn to generate crucial financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, giving you clear insights into your business performance. We'll guide you through reconciling your bank accounts, a critical step for maintaining accurate financial records. Additionally, we'll touch upon integrating payroll and managing inventory, expanding your QuickBooks Online capabilities. To truly master QuickBooks Online, consistently utilize the extensive online resources and active community forums for ongoing support and learning. Make sure to practice regularly using the provided sample company files to solidify your understanding of various scenarios. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep exploring new features to maximize your efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.